So take CLV, for example. Okay, that thing has been performing like crazy. We've seen that thing do a 3x in a few days. No, in a day. It did a 3x
and,
in a day
and then go down.
and then go down.
It's
How
funny
many
you
of
were
you guys that
funny you
hold
were
CLV, which I know a lot of you guys hold CLV, didn't take profits? When
um
you,
I didn't.
I didn't take profits. We're guilty of it, all right?
It
And it's because
happened
we all
right.
have this greedy mindset of want a 10x, you know?
Right. Well, it all depends on like because like I bought at a much higher rate and got my dollar cost down, but still, someone that bought down here and has a 3 cent, cost and it went up to, at one point, 17 cents.
Yeah,
So even if you got out at 15 cents, that would have been a 5x,
yeah,
right? But unfortunately, my average cost isn't way down here. It's good. I'm in profit right now, but it's not way down there. So anyway, but this chart, man, I'm loving it. Like I said, some key numbers held for me. I was a little nervous. I know I had said it in my last CLV video. Um, Not nervous, just thinking it was going to come back down to around 7 cents. And I said it could go as low as 6. But yeah, it went down to like just under 7 cents. And we've had a really nice rebound. Um, it has a higher close than its previous higher close over here at 10 cents. It's at 11 cents now. So I see CLV breaking back out to at least up to the 15 cent range. Retesting this, it might just blow by it. I'm going to zoom out real quick. So you can see we just got to get a close above like this 13 cent range. So once we get a close and we can turn this level right here, that's kind of our resistance level right now, into support, then from there, really, it's going to catapult. It's going to go. It might consolidate a little bit, but with this bull market and the trend up, we're going to go up to the 35, 40 cent range quick. Who knows? This breaks. If this break can break, who knows? We could reach this level by the end of the year. But
which isn't, yeah, that's, yeah.
right.
I mean, can you imagine that?
So who knows? But I really like CLV,
I do too. I'm been
dollar
very
88,
happy with it.
$1.88 is its all-time high. And
Yeah,
it's time to
I don't know. I mean,
upgrade everything. So it's at 496 now. But this 10x's or 18x's, that would be like 1.8 to $2 billion market cap, which I think it can support it. There's no more inflation. All coins are in circulation. So I think
right.
this thing is going to go. This is going to be a big one.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. So anyway, let me go back to the chart and I'm just going to close this and get where I think an entry point is. I'm just trying to. So here's the shorter term trend. So really, probably 9 cents would be a decent price. It might even come back down and go to like 8.68 cents. Retest the 20-day moving average as support. So yeah, and that's short term. But we'll have to wait and see. We did have a lower high here. We'll see what this low does. Could we make a lower low? But short term, yeah, I would say, depending on what they're doing. I mean, if they're trying to swing trade it, I suppose if you have,
Well, even just an
split,
entry, even just an entry point, like not even, like,
yeah. Well,
because I,
entry point right now, I would say it's going to go back down to 9 cents short term.
yeah,
Definitely.
yeah,
It's just a matter if it's going to go below that. All depends what the market's doing. But yeah, just an entry point if you're trying to start a position. Now this is with the each candle is 2 hours. So this is kind of breaking below its 20-day on the 2 hour. So again, right around that 9 cents level would be a good level.
I mean, from an Elliott wave stance, that looks like that you're on mountain number 2,
Yep.
out of the 5 mountains. But
Yep.
maybe I'm reading that wrong. I don't know.
Huh.
For a new
Yeah.
higher low.
Right. I don't use the Elliott wave.
Yeah, I mean that's the wonderful thing about charts is there's so many different
I just use a
philosophies.
few indicators. I just like simple.
Yeah, which
You
is
know.
good because that's what
You know,
you don't want to
I will look at
overcomplicate
the
things.
MACD and the RSSI once in a while.
Yeah,
Um, but anyway, I just like keeping it simple.
yeah,
So yeah, I would say Clover Finance, a good entry point would be around 9 cents.
yeah.
I think we're gonna revisit that.